It started off as a simple college game. We took it in turns going to the old mausoleum, trying to communicate with demonic entities. Apparently someone made a deal with the devil and passed all their exams, so every day we'd don whatever robes we could find and head out there to try and make a deal. I closed the gate. If someone had seen me dressed the way I was, they might have mistaken me for some sort of weirdo and called the police, and as far as I know, the fuzz and demons don't mix. I woke up on the floor. It reminded me of my apartment, except there was a Bible on the table, along with all the other components required to invoke the wrath of hell. I didn't bother with a pentagram because I was failing geometry and I hadn't brought any chalk. I lit the candle and poured unholy water into an unimpressive steel bowl that we'd nicked from the canteen. There was evil in every part of this heinous act, as it used to contain orange jelly. I said the dark words. All of a sudden, things started going a little crazy. As far as I knew, Bibles didn't set themselves on fire. I panicked and abandoned the ritual.